Alright, we're going to be replacing a toner cartridge, a Samsung SCX-4623F today. This is a copier, and the camera guy will get in here to view. As you can see, it's an Samsung SCX-4623F, and this is a general. You can use this same basic method for all kind of copiers and toners. Every one is a little bit different, but this one is what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to pop off this thing real quick here. It's a very light pop off here. We're going to grab the toner, grab one with one hand, just sturdy, and take it out. It might be a little pull a little bit up a little bit, and take it out, and then set it off on the side. Take your new one you bought from a third party person, and then you're going to take off the plastic and pull a strip out, because they put that in there so the ink doesn't bleed onto the. And be careful, there is this is green, do not touch that. The drum is built into this unit, so this cartridge, so you're replacing a drum with it, which is nice. Well, these is a very nice model. And you're going to slide it in, just gently like that, and then you're going to close, make sure it's in there right, and then you're going to close this like that, and then turn it right on, and it should work like that. And everything should take about a moment here, and then so yeah. And this video is by 247inktoner.com, and so thanks.